In the 19th century, we needed an operator in the middle when we wanted to make a phone call to another person. There was no direct management of communication, and you always depended on this middleman or woman. Telecommunication has evolved drastically, and nowadays no one could conceive of a life without a mobile phone. Our approach is the same. During Industry 3.0, we managed the machines through the original manufacturer. And for years, we were used to counting on this person in the middle for any interaction with the machine. However, smart production has arrived to change this and allow the end user to manage the data without this intermediate step. 120 million holes a year. 75% are made manually. Imagine if we could collect data directly from the tool. We could identify the problems and help all the technicians without depending on OEM. Today, if we notice an anomaly, we can't intervene in the device. It remains opaque. We're obliged to ask the manufacturer. If we have to systematically replace parts, it costs money and time. But if we put a chip on the tool, it becomes connected and able to interact seamlessly with the AIRBUS ecosystem. We interact with all the connected industrial assets based on the same technology, thanks to writing down harmonized specifications during the asset acquisition phase. The manufacturing engineer writes down the process model to be executed in a specific workstation of the plant. This process model will be hosted on an accessible repository, either by methods and process engineers or the industrial assets ecosystem, thanks to the local industrial infrastructure. Distributed architecture providing fog and edge computing capabilities will secure production execution, thus avoiding constant dependence on central IT backends. The harvested data could be of interest to all departments: quality, production, maintenance, and so on. Real-time responsiveness becomes a reality, and we can guarantee corrective and proactive actions as key enablers for predictive capabilities. For maintenance of the solution, thanks to the previously mentioned topics, we will be able to monitor the health of the device, its configuration, and allow maintenance to carry out the asset management in a consistent, robust, and secure way for every device from every supplier. Today, everyone uses digital certificates to interact remotely with a third party, such as banks and so on. The asset fleet automatically detects the expiration date and sends an automatic request for a new certificate creation and installs it on the device seamlessly with no human intervention at all. Help through the smart device and new infrastructure will make work easier. A smart device catalogue for our industrial ecosystem will be produced to boost automation in AIRBUS plants and FALs.